Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. Yeah, nice to see you here again, and currently we have no time for another small YouTube videos because the move is ready and a lot of engines we have to build and a lot of another work. We just working on a bigger video project, and I hope that at the end of the year we are ready with this, and that will be awesome, 100%, and you will love it. Yeah, I only want to say you hello and say what here happened. I show you some things what we actually do here. Okay, that you already know, I think, the new wave seat machine that you have seen maybe in one or two new pictures or Insta stories. Here the work area is ready. The left side is only for shot block building, and the right side here is for cylinder head work. And yeah, it's nice because here is everything what I daily need for building an engine, and here in this box, of course, the tools. And it is cool because when Alex work here and I work here, we can work with one box and we don't need two boxes, and here's so much tools in it, we can easily work with it. Here a new one, a new piston ring grinder. It's okay, I like it. Ready to ship, EJ257, engine number, oh, that's an old engine. We built it for a long time, but it is now ready for ship because the customer have some troubles. Yeah, the machines here, you know it, what we have here. Yeah, here head start conversation, the best head starts you can get for your Subi, of course the best in the whole universe. Looks like this, looks like this, and we're working on that. It's perfect because you can use the original, I don't know how it calls, Hülse. Yeah. Hello, Alex.
Hello.
Here's just ready a full engine for an EJ20 WRX engine. Here's a clean area, you know, soda, blasting. Here we have the clean table, ultrasonic, and the normal engine washing machine. It's perfect here because it is not in the area where you build the engines. So we have the dirty work on this side, and here comes in the next day a door, a bigger door here. What we have here? Hello. Oh yeah, that you currently not really know, but I think in the next month this sales start. Really cool Subi-Performance wear. Yeah, the Subi-Performance cap. It's pretty cool. Looks good, is good, feels nice because it is good quality. Everything is from Carhartt. Yeah, dachshunds. Where are the dachshunds? Everybody missed dachshunds. Yeah. Hi, El Twingo. Fat Pina. Guck mal hier. Was ist los bei dir? Was ist los? Fight. Oh, Anton. This is a small dog here. Hi, Anton. Gib Futter. Gib Futter. Gib Futter. Gib Futter. Okay. Have you tasted a new Cafe Colonia espresso? I can show you how good it tastes. Wait. And now I'm pretty sure you would like to have him coffee. Here, Alex, say to our Russian people how good is the coffee. Sag bester coffee in the whole universe.
Классный кофе.
Dobrze. Okay, guys. Yeah. The telephone here in the workshop is so loud. Yeah. I say thank you, and I hope we see you in one of the next videos. The next video will be more detailed with the engine. And I forgot, and the last day I posted a picture from this piston here, and this piston here. The question was, what happened here exactly? Why the piston looks like this? I can say you first, the mapping was good. The fail was, some people say that the piston ring gap clearance was not correct, because I checked it at the another pistons. Here, that was the cylinders with the Darton sleeves here. And we only have, here you see the gap, only 0.15 millimeters gap clearance, and that's much too less for an engine who want to drive high boost. And then it happened exactly that what you can see here. The piston ring at the top here is clamping and can't work correct, and give a lot of pressure here at the ringland, and then we have a failure like this. So always make sure that your piston ring gap clearance is correct. And what is pretty important here, when you use old pistons was running before, that's here this node is clean. When there is particles or something like this, the piston ring can't work correct too. Yeah, okay. But now we're ready. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Ciao. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my Instagram. There you find another news or more daily news or something like this. Thank you. Ciao.